the transition wizard has made it possible for you to put many transition in a long video or a short video. So for example, I have these pictures in my import section. I'll just do this. I'll just control so that if I drag them, all of them here. Now I want to put transition here, but I don't want to do it manually. Now if you look at this button here, it's called the transition wizard. If I click it, it will bring this aspect here. Now under this aspect here, you can decide. It gives you many transition styles that you can use. Let's just stick to that. Now just do this, apply to all. Then it will, if you look here, you'll see the transitions have been applied. If I play this one here, you can see there's a transition. Also you go to the next clip, you'll see a transition just like that. It's like it's giving a variety of transition for every clip. Now you can also change the type of transition style. For example, I can choose this one, blur. Let's see what it does. You can see that it gives a little bit of variation. Let me choose another one. Let's see what happens. Then after choosing, you apply for it to take effect. Now you see, also you can choose the amount of duration for a photo clip, or the duration of how long will it take between. Now if I increase this one to 4, it will be long. Then I apply, see it becomes, if I increase to even 10, apply, see it becomes big, so it will take a longer time. But if I reduce maybe this one to maybe even 1, then apply, you see it becomes a little bit shorter. Now transition makes it easier for you, as you can see there. I think this shorter one is good, especially if you want especially things like food, where you want things to change like that, especially if you're putting videos and you want them to be in motion. Maybe use a shorter one. Let me just put 2 and apply, so that it goes a little bit slow. So you can play around with that, Then also transition duration. How long will you want the transition to take? Maybe and reduce. I've reduced, then I apply. Let me see. Can't even notice. What about if I increase maybe up to 5, then apply all? The transition is so big that you can't even see it. So you see, it becomes, so it's a way about, is a certain way that you can use to play around the effects of your pictures, making them to look as if they're in video motion or something else. It's a matter of experimenting just like that. Now if you want to get out of the transition, usually just click here and it will return you the normal editing aspect. Now that's how you can use remember it is here, the transition wizard. You can use that. Although you can still put transition manually, you can also use this one here to put transition manually. This one will take a lot of time, but you can just use transition wizard. See you in the next video.